Hi, my name is Crystal May Bobbies, and I would like to discuss to you the meaning of approximation, absolute error, relative error, and mean absolute error. Approximation. An approximation is anything that is similar, but not exactly equal, to something else. A number can be approximated by rounding. A calculation can be approximated by rounding the values within it before performing the operations. Absolute error. Absolute error is the difference between measured or inferred value and the actual value of a quantity. The absolute error is indicated due to the fact that it does not give any details regarding the importance of the error. While measuring distance between cities kilometers apart, an error of a few centimeters is negligible and is irrelevant. Consider another case where an error of centimeters when measuring a small machine part is very significant error. Both the errors are in the order of centimeters, but not the second error is more severe than the first one. For example, 24.13 is the actual value of a quantity and 25.9 is the measure or inferred value. Then the absolute error will be 25.9 minus 24.13 equals 0.86. Most of the time, it is sufficient to record only two decimal digits of the absolute error. Thus, it is sufficient to state that the absolute error of the approximation 4.55 to the correct value 4.53895 is 0.012. And relative error. The relative error is defined as the ratio of the absolute error of the measurement to the actual measurement. Using this method, we can determine the magnitude of the absolute error in the terms of actual size of the measurement. If the true measurement of the object is not known, then the relative error can be found using the measured value. The relative error gives an indication of how good measurement is relative to the size of the object being measured. For example, find the absolute relative errors, the approximation. 125.67 to the value 119.66. Solution is absolute error equals 125.67 minus 119.66 equals 6.01. The relative error is 125.67 minus 119.66 slash 119.66 equals 0.05022. And the last one is mean absolute error. The mean absolute error is the average of all absolute errors of the data collected. It is abbreviated as MEI, meaning is mean absolute error. It is obtained by dividing the sum of all absolute errors with the number of errors. The formula for MEI is. Thank you.